Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Menuex library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. To start our troubleshooting for Menuex library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Menuex library, a specialized menu extension handler. It manages unmanaged routines for custom right-click context menu rendering within the Windows shell. It facilitates the data link between the shell and third-party software visual manifests for extended file operations. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official System File Checker tool, run sfc/scan now in an administrator CMD to ensure Menuex library DLL is restored to its original verified state. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Menuex library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Menuex library DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for Menuex library. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Menuex library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.